Hi, welcome to my channel, and you are watching Technophilics. In this video, I'm going to share you guys some method to move status bar into bottom of the screen so that you can access the settings available on the status bar very easily. So let's jump into this tutorial. We are using an application called Bottom Quick Settings for this functionality, so jump into Play Store and search for Bottom Quick Settings or use the link given in description and install it. After installing, simply open this app and tap on this arrow 3 times. Tap anywhere on screen to continue. Now tap here to run the service. You can now swipe up from bottom of the screen to open the quick settings. Tap on sliders to add sliders. Activate the sliders you want. You can control your phone's brightness, media volume, call volume, and etc. Now tap on handle to customize the height and width of handle. Set handle width 100% and set the height 5. I suggest you to hide the handle to get neat and clean interface on your mobile screen. Now tap on layout and enable show battery footer to view battery percentage in quick settings. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share the video. If you have any query, comment down below in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.